5 Best Suction Vacuum Cleaners Review. Number 1. Miele Compact C1 Pure Suction Canister Vacuum. For homely use, most of the cases we prefer entry-level vacuum cleaner which will be easy to use and have all essential functionality. The Miele Compact C1 is that type of entry-level device, which is a hard floor and carpet cleaning expert. From the first look, you will feel the love of its appearance. Lotus white color body makes the canister vacuum cleaner eye-catchy. Inside the cleaner, it installed a vortex motor which requires 1200W to perform with full power. Accurately vacuum cleaner suction pressure control variables are available. Its container is air-sealed, which will ensure there is no chance that dust will drop out after sucking. Its 29 feet cleaning radius is enough to clean the ceiling fan and other places which is hard to reach. Number 2. Shark Apex Upright Vacuum Cleaner. What about an upright vacuum cleaner which you can use canister form? We can keep Shark Apex Upright Vacuum in our list of what you can use as also canister formation. Impressively, after clean all the things of your home, it can clean itself by own. Its 1.4 liter dust containing capable cup is good enough to contain all the dust from your home. The most important thing is there is a HEPA filter that can clean 5x more. There is anti-allergen complete seal technology too. Double cleaning brush roll ensures the cleaning from the deep of your carpet, sofa, rugs, and another soft surface. To remove pet hair and fur, it has all the possible features installed. Simply 11.3 amps electric supply needed to operate the cleaner in full mode. To identify the dust from dark narrow space, there is LED light on its nozzle. Number 3. Dyson V11 Torque Cordless Vacuum. Our next is up the Dyson V11 Torque, which is an intelligent and rechargeable vacuum cleaner. This is especially engineered and programmed for the household cleaning with its own formula of Dyson. In full charge, it can run full 60 minutes long with its 6-cell battery. To check its performance, battery life, and mode, there is an LCS screen also added. There is the DLS system also including, which will make a decision where to clean more or less. Because of high torque cleaning, you can clean 99% debris and dust till then 0.3 microns from different surfaces. This is because of 3 different cleaning modes: Eco, Auto, and Booze. You can choose the desired mode easily. Cordless and long battery backup. Have LCD to mention its status. Number 4. Bissell 9595A Cleanview Bagless Vacuum. In the limited budget there are fewer vacuum cleaners you will have in the market which contains all the essential features. The Bissell Cleanview is such a type of suction vacuum cleaner where you will have better performance too. It's an 8.10 kilograms product which is 45 inches in length. And of course, it is one of the best suction power vacuum cleaners in your budget. The main concern here, it has a triple action brush roll. That makes it able to clean any dust from mat, rugs, carpet, and surface. It also installed scatter-free technology too. Its cleaning pad is 14 inches and designed in such condition to edge cleaning. The dust container can contain 1 liter of unexpected dust. The filter added inside the cleaner, that is washable. The rest of the thing is, there you can use its hose attachment to clean the ceiling besides clear the floor and surface. Number 5. Eufy Boost IQ Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The robotic vacuum cleaners have also become too trendy right now. The Eufy Boost IQ Robot Vac, one of those devices that deserve the place on the suction vacuum cleaner list. This is rechargeable but still has 1500 pascals suction ability. This is programmed with drop sensing and fall protected ways. Inside there is an infrared sensor that can measure its position and take all data to where to clean. The best part is, it can measure where it needs to clean and change its cleaning mode within 1.5 seconds. The battery can perform 100 minutes at least continuously. While the device will understand it needs charge, it will move to its dock and will charging up itself. With each unit, you will have 2 couple of cleaning tools, a set of filters, and cable ties with a warranty of 2 years.